Cameron Harper. Harper gets it in. Allen does enough. Now Jordi Alba has Campana in the middle, cuts it back towards Gomez, who sends it wide. Leaving for Jordi Alba. Jordi Alba into the middle. Coronel will come and collect.
Well, I think Harper's given a yellow here in the late challenge on Jordi Alba. Because Jordi Alba
goes short to Noah Allen. Allen clips it in, awkwardly off of Yearwood, and it's a corner for Inter Miami, the first of this match.
Well, and Jordi Alba has given Robert Taylor a little bit of an earful.
Got it, does really well to find Yearwood. Then the combination play. Tolkien's brought down. Red Bulls earn a set piece.
Well, Tolkien's going to have to pick and choose.
New York goes quick. Amaya floating back post. Miller heads it away.
You see what setup he saw and what tactical switch is going to be made.
Tolkien serves it in. Miami
Argentine should say that.
I think he waited. Too far for Farias. To this point, here is Luquinhas. Can New York score first? Luquinhas into Arroyo, out for another corner. Trying to get around Taylor. Luquinhas cuts it back, floats it to the back post. Nobody there for New York.
Well, there's going to be...
Gets away from Reyes at the byline, and then Reyes does enough to see it out for a goal kick.
Fantastic defending here from Reyes, just sliding over, understanding the space.
A designated player was not Inter Miami. Also for Blaise Matuidi, sent to Gomez. Arroyo, Gomez. A lot of room now. And there is a player down in the corner as a ton of confusion continuing.
Allen.
19-year-old Noah Allen into a dangerous spot and eventually sent wide.
I don't mind this ball here, just drive it loose, but he's got to make the right ball in the right time.
Manuel, nobody on the back post again from New York, and the offside flag then comes up.
Go.
Luquinhas' flag was down, and it did stay promising for New York. Through for Yearwood. Yearwood cuts it back. Oh, it's missed. A sitter for Omer Fernandez, and he puts it wide.
That tells you exactly how 2023 has gone.
More experienced, cultured left-footed Jordi Alba floating it in. Coronel punching it clear. Taylor.
360 minutes, he scored 2 goals this year. In 1,100 minutes, he's got 2 goals. Goals hard to come by.
Taylor. Here is Noah Allen. Gomez settles, scores! Messi loves it from the bench. The 20-year-old Diego Gomez with his first goal in pink, and Inter Miami take the lead in New York.
The composure here from Robert Taylor.
Now in towards Campana. Campana settles, tries to turn. Campana! And it's right at Coronel in the end.
Well, Campana turning something out of nothing there. Allen has to play Farias in a better spot. He gets in the...
Fernandez off of Ruiz. Shouts for a handball. Alan Chapman gives it. Penalty for New York.
Well, the debate here is where's the right arm of Ruiz? It's in his body, but he will turn his body, and the indication...
And the correct one.
Exactly. Give me the correct hole. Now, the debate is always going to be, if it's clear and obvious, it's
to begin the second half. Will we see them make their Major League Soccer regular season debuts tonight? The second half is underway at Red Bull Arena, Inter Miami.
On the back line of Inter Miami.
Already making an impact, Fernandez. They just don't
of this 11 and of this roster. Much better start to this second half from Troy
Since. Who lead 1-0. Tolkien takes the Red Bulls corner. That was a dangerous ball.
Then the first 45.
Cameron Harper over Barlow. Callender will catch.
Miller, the most important players in this moment.
Tolkien this time to the back post. Callender pushing it over. Great save by Drake Callender off the head of Omer Fernandez.
It's a great idea from John Tolkien. He saw Campana and Kamal Miller move to the near post, so deliver it to the back post.
To the action, sitting on the edge. It looked painful for them not to be on the field, itching to be in. And
from distance, Callender will make the save on Callender here for that lead. I mean, certainly is a player with a big ability in the attack. The Red Bulls continue to ask questions. Edelman clipping it towards Barlow. Barlow, what a save! Drake Callender. Edmund says play on. Miami trying to find Campana behind. Reyes is able to, with Campana in the middle. Campana the back heel. Jordi Alba keeps it in play momentarily. Farias the step over, rather it's Gomez the step over, brought down. Allen cutting it back away from Jordi Alba. Jordi Alba does well to recover and allow.
Works all over him, so he's bringing in three of his most veteran players.
Tolkien's corner bounces around, out for a. Can New York take advantage? Tolkien floating it in. Allen heading it away. On and then cleared. Not out of danger and just wide from Amaya. Harper gets around Jordi Alba. Callender back to Messi. Jordi Alba coming forward. Was looking for him is there. Busquets, Messi settling. Can he get on it? It might still be there for him, and Sean Nealis defended it well in the end.
Receive.
Here he is. Farias. Back heel towards Messi. Broke Alba. Back to Farias. There's space now for Miami. Behind Messi.
Walking did nothing for my career.
That wasn't a staple of your game, was it? Callender outside is. Back to Jordi Alba. Oh, cuts around Hurtado. Tries to get Burke behind. It comes off Allen. Callender, maybe being careful about using his hands, decides to run. Messi looking for Arroyo. Cornell outside of his area. Sends it forward. Carrying forward. Still Messi. Tried to get it to Yedlin. Tolkien does well. He could not leave New York without a goal. Number 11 in Miami, and his first official Major League Soccer goal seals 3 points for Inter Miami.